Assalamualaikum. Selamat malam. Dan selamat datang ke channel Deadpan. Baik, untuk korang yang dah klik dan tengok video ni, aku nak ucapkan ribuan terima kasih. Sebab support korang memang power lah. Alright, kita akan continue game. Sebenarnya aku pun dah lupa dah dekat mana. Yang aku ingat last hari tu kita main, kita dapat flashbang rasa aku. Lama jugalah sejak daripada video yang lepas aku buat. Lama jugalah baru aku ada masa untuk main, untuk buat video sambungan. Alright, jangan buang masa lagi, bebel pun tak guna. So before start, aku akan buat macam biasa guys. Aku akan cut part yang tak penting lah, sebab aku respect masa korang kan. Alright, let's go.
Going on over there? Well, that's just up the road from me, too. What's going on, do you know? I don't know.
Oh, ramai ya. Ya Allah. No. Selesai. Flashbang ni kuat tau. Elak sikit lagi. Ya Allah, slownya. Ada flare dengan bateri. Cun ni. Untuk pengetahuan korang, aku sebenarnya dah mula shock tau main game ni. Sebab ramai Asal tak boleh lari. Alah. Selesai. Asal aku tengok diorang ni macam polis kan? Ada macam polis kan? Best pakai flashbang tu. Puas hati tengok diorang meletup. Ni polis kan? Tak ada dah ke?
I hope Maine could lend me a car to get to the coal mine.
It's Lorna Miles.
Oh, why, hello, Lorna. What do you have for us?
Well, I just don't see why the cops bother with the trailer park.
What do you mean?
It's a trailer park. Of course you're going to have trouble in a place like that. I mean, wasting resources on those people.
Well,
Ni ada orang ni.
Let the trash sort themselves out. I'm sorry, but my granddaddy settled in Bright Falls in 1911.
well, thank you very much for that compassionate viewpoint, Lorna. Oh, here's a little surprise. The famous writer Alan Wake just walked in. Folks, I'm going to see if I can talk him into an interview.
Come on in, Mr. Wake.
Sekejap guys, nak explore sekejap.
It looks like Mr. Wake is going to need a moment before we can talk, so
Tak boleh
let
buka
me
lah.
give you a little background while he prepares himself. You've all heard the name, of course. Alan Wake is the author of a very successful series of Alex Casey crime novels. He's changed gears, though. He's now working on a horror story. Oh, I'm so glad you could find the time to do this, Mr. Wake.
Nowhere to run now, Dan Brown. You back away from me. Don't hurt it.
Whoa. Everyone calm down. Put the gun down. We're all friends here, right?
Cool your jets, Nightingale. We got him.
Dude, preach!
What the hell's the matter with you? There's a civilian in there.
I'll get you yet, even if it kills me. You hear me? You hear me, H.P. Lovecraft?
I had fallen off so many cliffs it was ridiculous. That's what you get for naming a book The Sudden Stop. It was probably good I hadn't had the chance to tell Maine where I was going. I'd have to lose the cops and find my own way to the mine. Nightingale stared through the broken studio window into the dark woods. He turned around, started to walk out, but Maine grabbed his arm. "Young man, you almost shot me. You don't shoot off rounds at people like that. What's the matter with you?" Nightingale shook his arm free, marched out. His cheeks burned with rage and humiliation.
Tak relax Nightingale. Aku sampai sekarang tak faham sebenarnya apa yang Alan ni dah buat. Tiba-tiba kena kejar polis dan jadi macam penjenayah. Nice, dapat weapon.
There was no sensible reason for the power company work lights to be here. It was almost as if they'd been left for someone like me to use.
The darkness control dia taken. Ui, ramainya.
Danny had stepped out, but what stumbled back in was something else. Something alien. A monster. Walter tried to kill it, first with his fists, then a chair. It wouldn't die. Instead, it kept coming, unaffected.
naik atas tinggi-tinggi semata-mata ambil manuskrip ke? So nak ke mana ni?
Sarah trusted her gut, and her gut said Agent Nightingale was an asshole. He felt wrong, and it wasn't just the smell of stale booze. It was in the way he flashed his badge, pulled rank, the look in his eyes when he wanted answers. Where was Alan Wake? What was this about an accident? Where was his wife? And most importantly, why did she let Wake go? He wouldn't answer her questions. Federal business was all he'd say.
Jumpa pun. Sekian lama berpusing-pusing.
Hello?
The most stubborn man I've ever met.
Alice? Alice?
Alan, I'm so afraid. Keeps me in the dark. Please help me. I look at you, Alan, and it's not you. Something else. Looking out from behind your eyes.
Alice, I'm here.
I'm so alone here. It's all gonna go to hell. You need to be careful. Cooperate.
The connection had been terrible, but that wasn't the only thing that hadn't been right with the call. She sounded wrong somehow, but she had called me.
Tu bukan Alice. Ellen.
The pipe wrenched itself loose from the bridge's steel framework. Wrapped in darkness, it floated in midair, twitching. For a moment, I didn't understand what I was looking at. The heavy object lurched at me with impossible force. I threw myself out of the way. I could see a railway bridge up ahead, and a warehouse of some sort on the opposite shore. I hoped I could find a car from there.
Tolonglah bagi kereta. Seronok duk bawa kereta dalam game ni. Lagi satu kan, dia punya hint kan, macam ni pun smart agak. Aku suka tu.
The darkness that was pursuing me was growing stronger, and it was taking over everything in its path.
Allah, macam mana nak elak duk? Punya sakit.
I slammed the door shut right in his smug face. He pleaded for me to open the door. True to form, the asshole actually thought I would obey. I had no sympathy left, no guilt either, not for him. As a teenager, just starting to get interested in writing, Stephen King had been a source of inspiration to me. I thought about all the inanimate objects that had come to life in his books. No one is safe in a good horror story, certainly not the protagonist. That's what makes them fun. This was anything but. The darkness could possess anything. And it was
Macam
getting
lawan bos
closer.
je ni. Ni macam lawan bos je. Alright guys, sampai sini je video kita hari ni. Dan kalau boleh korang subscribe lah sekali Nanti kita akan sambung guys. Okay, stay tune guys. Stay tune. Aku akan buat video yang akan datang. Ciao.